Tokai's vision is to be able to offer the same as others, and much more, which makes us unique. Our philosophy is uniqueness in lens designs, for any user different design, uniqueness in lens materials, for every wearer's requirement a different type of lens, and uniqueness in coating development, for any activity a specific coating. Hi everyone, welcome to Tokai TV. A little more than a decade ago, lens manufacturers were racing to try to produce the highest refractive index. With the result, Tokai won this race. We are proud to say we are the only manufacturer in the world producing 176 lenses, which enables to say we produce the thinnest lenses in the world. Mostly when one develops a material, it starts with introduction of one particular design with product limitations in terms of designs, coating possibilities, and so on. That is not what Tokai stands for. When Tokai introduces something, especially on materials, we make sure our customers are able to select from a full product portfolio in that particular material in terms of designs, coatings, and material possibilities. That is the reason why the 176 is available in aspheric, double aspheric, individualized double aspheric designs, various progressive designs ranging from optimized to fully individualized designs, based on neuroscience or not, office lenses, whatever is needed. It wouldn't be logical if it was made available only with one coating type. 176 comes with more than 10 different coatings types, ranging from SPS to the toughest in anti-scratch resistance, USC. Not to forget the optional PUV protection, which is an additional layer on the inside curve of the lens to absorb UV rather than reflecting the light. On top of that, in materials, it is available in the standard UV, of course, but also with Lutina, UV 420 protection, in Transition Generation 8, and in Lutina photochromic. Let us not forget our sunbathers. Tokai tints this material in the mass until 85%. One of the possibilities inside a wide range of colors. Just a refresher, what did Lutina do again? What was it about? Next to striving to improve one's optical performance, Tokai is always looking to improve aesthetical aspects of a lens too. Reducing thickness could only be done by pre-calibrating a lens. This is optimizing the center thickness on positive lenses, or by giving a thinner lens material, which is a higher refractive index. The gain in thickness between a 176 lens and a lens in standard material will vary up to 52%. But still this has limits on negative powers. A minus 16 lens, for instance, has a certain edge thickness on a respective diameter which you cannot change. Of course, I wouldn't mention this if Tokai wouldn't have a solution for that. Tokai developed and patented the surfacing technique of fine edge, which further reduces thickness of negative lenses without touching on the width of the visual field of the lens. It is a surfacing technique. Therefore, the fine edge part will be hard-coated and AR-coated too. Let's have a look in the next movie what it is about. Now you know the uniqueness of the 176 material. Let our users enjoy the experience having them in their next pair of spectacles. See you next time on Tokai TV.